Open the ink door. This will disengage the ink door switch and allow for safe insertion and removal of ink cartridges. Bypassing this switch can lead to issues reading the cartridges correctly. Lift each ink door latch. Insert the individual ink cartridges into the appropriate slot. These are keyed so the ink door latch cannot be closed if the cartridge is installed in the incorrect slot. Close each ink door latch. Once the ink cartridges are installed, close the ink door. If the ink cartridges are recognized, the ink level will show on the touch panel. Press the Clear Error button on the display. Ink circulation will begin. If a cartridge is not recognized, open the ink door latch, remove and reinsert the cartridge. If a cartridge is not recognized, open the ink door latch and remove that cartridge. Check the ink level prism and QA chip for any debris or ink and clean if necessary. Make sure the correct printer ink cartridge is used. The label on the ink cartridge will state which printer it is for. L901 standard inks will not work in the L901 Plus printer, and vice versa. To remove the ink cartridges, open the ink door. Lift each ink door latch. Remove each cartridge. Close each ink door latch. Close the ink door.